Hi, my name is Dave, and I've been a patient of Dr. Matt and his entire crew here at 360 Wellness for a little bit more than 3 months. With when I walked in the door with major neuropathy, which, if you've got neuropathy, you understand the pins, the needles, the feeling like an axe is falling across your feet, and that pain, that uncomfortable feeling. And I personally didn't think that this was ever reversible. I didn't think that it would ever be a way of life for me to have feeling back in my feet, the numbness and things such as that. But after working with the crew here, I can tell you honestly, from the heart, I've got feeling back in my feet. I have flexibility in my toes. I also have, with diabetes, it's a danger to have wounds along your legs and your feet and what have you. Well, because of the therapy that we go through, my wound healing is becoming much improved. The fears that we've had before aren't as heavy. We still concerned, but they're healing on their own right now. And a lot of it has to do with the crew and the staff that are here. So if you're thinking in any way, shape, or form that I've got neuropathy, it's not reversible, trust me. If you do the work, you put the work in, you listen, it is. You can get feeling back in your feet. I am, and I can't tell you how excited I am about that.